Welcome to Roger. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage drivers and shippers from your mobile device. First, simply go to the lower right ellipse menu, open it up, select Manage Users. You'll notice all your current existing drivers and carriers are displayed here that are already set up under this profile. You can manage your current users by clicking the Edit button for either one. You'll also notice that there's a little I below the edit on the top bar on Chuck Truck Full. This means this driver has full access to rates. The one below it does not have this I, which means it's a limited driver setup, which means they do not have access to rate. You can simply click the edit button and change whatever you need to change or remove the driver completely. To add, simply click the add button in the upper right and begin filling out the information associated with the driver or the carrier. You must first choose whether this new user is a driver or carrier, and the differences are shown in the driver versus carrier differences by selecting the little green I button. Read through the short descriptions and you should understand the difference between the two. To actually add them, you need a name and an email or a phone number. Whichever is easiest for that driver, user, carrier, user to receive the onboarding process, use either one. Once you've entered the email or the mobile phone as a driver, at the bottom you'll notice there's a toggle button to provide them either with access to rates and edit rates or not. So fill that out. The Done in the upper right will then become active once you've completed the information, and by clicking Done, the invitation will be distributed. It'll be distributed either via email or text, depending on whether you've entered an email or a phone. The onboarding process is the same. It'll give the user a link that'll allow them to go through the process of filling out short, brief information to activate the account under this carrier. And that's how you onboard a driver or carrier. To manage your shippers, simply go back to the main menu, click on the ellipse, click on Manage Shippers, and it'll show you a very similar menu which shows all your current shippers. If you click on any of these current shippers, you'll notice that you can activate them, make them active or inactive by toggling the button at the bottom. When on, they are active. When off, they are inactive. Remember to hit save once you've made your changes, and it'll save your changes. To add a new shipper, simply click on the add button and fill out a username. Once done, click the save button, and now they are an active shipper that you can now select from a load card when you're setting up a load or a menu load. You'll see them in that menu selection tree. I'm going to go back and make this shipper inactive and save it. Now they will not show up in any menu except the Manage Shipper menu. And that's how you manage your shippers, your drivers and carriers, add them, change their requirements, and send the invitations.